The 7730 tractor, known for its strength and versatility, serves as the perfect base for the Rotor S, which crushes even the largest stumps effortlessly. With the crushing force of its specialized head, the Rotor S penetrates deep into the ground, breaking down stumps and roots into manageable pieces in seconds, saving countless hours of manual labor. The Prinoth M650M Turbo Forestry Mulcher is a high-performance beast designed for tackling the toughest forestry challenges. Built for heavy-duty land clearing, this machine is equipped with a powerful turbocharged engine that gives it extra torque and speed for grinding through dense brush, thick undergrowth, and even smaller trees with ease. The Bandit 1890XP is a powerhouse in the world of wood chippers, designed to handle heavy-duty jobs with precision and speed. This machine boasts a robust feed system capable of processing large logs and branches up to 20 inches in diameter. B. The Cat 525B, equipped with a mulcher, is an absolute beast when it comes to clearing the way through dense forestry. This machine, with its immense power and sturdy frame, turns overgrown vegetation into mulch in no time. As it moves through the landscape, trees, brush, and thick undergrowth are effortlessly devoured, leaving behind a clean, open path. With the D, AF-180D, the workflow becomes streamlined as it can swiftly process wood and other materials, minimizing downtime and maximizing productivity. This attachment is perfect for those demanding serious output and reliability in tough environments, ensuring that every job gets done with precision and power. The Mexmax PTO Stump Grinder SG24 is a high-performance tractor-powered tool designed to make stump removal efficient and effortless. Using the power takeoff PTO from the tractor, this grinder can tackle even the toughest stumps with ease. With its heavy-duty grinding wheel, sharp teeth, and rugged design, the SG24 makes quick work of stumps of various sizes, grinding them down to mulch in no time. The mini excavator tree saw attachment for the Bobcat E45 is a versatile and powerful tool for precision tree cutting. Built to tackle thick branches and even small trees, this attachment transforms the compact yet mighty Bobcat E45 into a tree-clearing machine. Its high-torque saw blade can make quick, clean cuts through dense wood, making it ideal for forestry work, land clearing, and even urban landscaping where precision and control are essential. The Bobcat E45, known for its excellent maneuverability and compact size, combined with the tree saw attachment, allows operators to get into tight spaces and handle trees and brush with ease. The HLA attachments. Limb saw is a game changer for precision tree trimming and limb removal. Designed to be mounted on tractors or skid steers, this attachment allows you to reach high branches and cut them down effortlessly. The powerful saw can slice through limbs up to 10 inches in diameter, making quick work of trimming jobs that would otherwise require a lot of manual labor. Equipped with hydraulic controls, the limb saw provides precision cutting, even in challenging environments. The Excavator stump shear is a true powerhouse when it comes to land clearing. Equipped with a ripper attachment and backed by the immense strength of an excavator, it turns the toughest, most stubborn tree stumps into easily manageable debris. This machine takes what would normally be a laborious task and makes it seem effortless. With each rip and tear, the Excavator stump shear demonstrates its dominance, reducing massive stumps to splinters in moments. Whether clearing land for construction, farming, or landscaping, this tool transforms what could be a grueling job into something so efficient. The mini excavator brush cutter attachment for the Bobcat. E45 is a game changer in land clearing and vegetation management. Designed specifically for the E45 model, this powerful cutter effortlessly transforms dense brush, overgrown grass, and even small trees into manageable debris. With its sharp, rotating blades, the brush cutter can slice through tough underbrush and woody materials, making quick work of any job site that needs a thorough cleanup. The ASV mulcher is a powerhouse when it comes to land clearing and forestry management. Known for its rugged design and unparalleled performance, this machine is engineered to take on the toughest jobs, grinding down everything from thick underbrush to large trees with ease. Its mulcher attachment is equipped with high-torque, rotating blades that can reduce dense vegetation and tree stumps to fine mulch in mere minutes. Whether you're working on large-scale land reclamation projects or simply clearing a plot for development, the ASV mulcher delivers unmatched efficiency and precision. Forest mulch machine, a true powerhouse in land clearing. In just 8 hours, this formidable machine has cleared an impressive 86 acres of land, showcasing its efficiency and capability to handle even the densest of vegetation. Designed specifically for mulching, it expertly trims the surface of trees and shrubs. However, while the forest mulch machine excels at cutting and shredding, it's important to note that it primarily tackles the above-ground portions of vegetation. The FAE Forestry Shredder Model, UMH, is a formidable piece of equipment designed for efficient land clearing and vegetation management. With its robust construction and cutting-edge technology, this shredder excels at handling tough forestry tasks, shredding a variety of materials from small brush to large trees. Equipped with heavy-duty blades, the UMH effectively mulches wood, transforming it into finely shredded material that can easily decompose back into the soil, promoting healthier ecosystems. One of the standout features of the FAE UMH is its adaptability. It can be mounted on various carriers, including excavators and tractors, providing versatility for different applications. The Excavator stump shear is the ultimate solution for tackling those stubborn, unwieldy tree stumps that can halt progress on any land clearing project. With its powerful excavator base and innovative ripper attachment, this machine is engineered to make quick work of even the most entrenched stumps. Imagine effortlessly slicing through roots and wood, transforming what used to take hours of back-breaking labor into a swift, straightforward task. Equipped with razor-sharp saw blades, the excavator stump shear doesn't just cut, it tears through the toughest materials with the ease of a hot knife through butter. Equipped with sharp, heavy-duty blades, the pine tree crusher efficiently crushes and mulches pine trees, reducing them to manageable sizes in a matter of minutes. This not only expedites the clearing process, but also minimizes the environmental impact by returning organic matter back to the forest floor, promoting soil health and regeneration. Whether it's for land preparation, timber production, or reforestation efforts, the pine tree crusher stands out as a versatile tool that enhances productivity and effectiveness in forestry management. One of the standout features of the CH32 is its impressive splitting force, which allows it to break down logs up to 32 inches in diameter. This capability makes it ideal for a variety of tasks, whether you're preparing firewood for the winter or managing wood for construction projects. The machine's dual splitting modes, horizontal and vertical, provide flexibility, allowing users to choose the most comfortable and efficient position for splitting logs. The M726E forestry mulcher is a powerful machine designed to tackle tough vegetation management and land clearing tasks. With its advanced mulching capabilities, this mulcher is engineered to efficiently process a variety of materials, including trees, brush, and undergrowth, transforming them into fine mulch that can improve soil quality and reduce debris. Its heavy-duty rotor and sharp, durable blades enable it to slice through dense vegetation and large tree trunks, making quick work of even the toughest clearing jobs. The high-performance forestry machine is engineered to meet the demanding needs of modern forestry operations. This versatile equipment excels in various tasks, including logging, land clearing, and vegetation management. With its powerful engine and advanced cutting technology, it can effortlessly handle large trees and dense underbrush, ensuring efficient and effective operations. Designed for durability and reliability, the high-performance forestry machine often features robust tracks for improved traction in rugged terrain and advanced hydraulic systems for precise control. The stump shear is an innovative attachment that transforms a bulldozer into a powerful tree removal tool. Featuring a long, sharp shear blade, it is designed to effortlessly cut through large tree stumps and roots with precision. When the bulldozer lowers the stump shear onto the stump, the sheer force and cutting power can quickly sever even the most stubborn stumps, making the process of land clearing remarkably efficient. The stump grinder is a powerful machine designed specifically for grinding down tree stumps to ground level or below. Equipped with sharp rotating blades, this machine can effectively chew through the toughest wood, turning the stubborn remnants of trees into manageable wood chips. As the stump grinder approaches the tree stump, its operator carefully maneuvers it into position, ensuring that the blades make contact with the stump at the right angle. Wood chippers are incredible machines designed to tackle the challenging task of transforming large branches and tree trunks into manageable wood chips. These robust machines work by employing powerful blades that efficiently shred wood into smaller pieces, making them an essential tool for forestry, landscaping, and waste management. As the wood crusher approaches the large stumps, its operator strategically positions it to ensure maximum efficiency. Once activated, the machine's sharp blades start to rotate at high speeds, slicing through the wood fibers and breaking the stumps into smaller, more manageable pieces. The crushing process is remarkably fast, turning the hefty stumps into fine wood chips in a matter of minutes. The John Deere 7730, equipped with the Rotor S stump crusher, represents a powerful combination in the realm of forestry and land clearing. The Rotor S features high-quality, sharp cutting blades that effectively grind stumps down to ground level, transforming them into mulch that can enrich the soil.